Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Moonriver. As in my so many previous videos, I've been showing you that recently Moonriver formed two patterns on a daily time frame chart. One was this symmetrical triangle. This was the symmetrical triangle. And at the same time, it was also following this downtrend line support of this down channel as well. You can see that we had a long spike here, could not break down this support. It covered back very soon. Then we again tested the support of the channel here. We tested the support of the channel here. And after breaking down this triangle, the price then again bounced from the support of the channel and tried to re-enter the same triangle, but got rejected by the previous support of the triangle that was now working as a resistance for the price. And after one more bounce, the price has finally broken down the support of this channel as well. And the target for this breakdown that I was telling you from this triangle was here. That was at this support approximately at $13.15. By the way, we have this support, and you can see that the price then dropped down beyond that target. And if we take a look at the target for the breakdown from this channel, that target was here at $11.50, and you can see that the price then dropped down up to $10 and almost at $10, but now you can see that the price line is recovered back and moved above this support of $13.15. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very huge breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart. In fact, for the past several months, I've been showing you this wedge. And then when it was dropped down here at this support of the wedge, I have been telling you in those days that now there is a very high probability that soon we may break it out. And the target can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be between $22 to $25. And you can see that the price line rallied beyond that target, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of $45. That was previously breaking as a support here back in the month of February 2022. And now here, it worked as a very strong resistance, and after this rejection recently, the price has dropped down at this long-term support of $13.15. That was previously working as a resistance here, and for the past several weeks here, it has been working as a resistance as well. And now you can see that despite this long spike to the downside up to the next support of $10, the price had recovered back very soon, and you can see still it is moving above this support of $13.15. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very huge breakout from this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Loca, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal, for example, in this case, I shared the signal on 6th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Moonriver. And this is the daily time frame chart. And previously, we have been following this symmetrical triangle. And at the same time, the price line was also moving inside this down channel as well. And even after breaking down the triangle, the price line has been respecting this support of the channel, but finally we broke down the support and we hit the target for both breakdowns from the breakdown from the triangle, and also hit the target from the breakdown from this channel as well. That was approximately $11.50, and now you can see that the price line is recovered back, and this is, by the way, a quite long-term support of $13.15, and you can see that for few days after the breakdown, it had been breaking as a resistance, and after some struggle, the price is successfully recovered back and moved above this support, and now it can work as a support. It was a few days ago working as a resistance. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have this support of $13.15 that we have recently broken out here on the daily time frame chart as a resistance, and now it is breaking as a support. On a weekly time frame chart, you can see that we dropped down here. We had a long spike to the downside and tested the next support of $10. That was another very long-term support. It has been working as a resistance here and support here and support here. And now after the breakout, it is flipped into a nice support. And despite this long spike, the price end did not break it down and still moving above the support. If this retest of this support will be successful, that I'm expecting that it can be, then it can move to the next resistance at $20. That is a quite long-term and strong resistance. You can see that previously it has been breaking as a very, very strong support here for several weeks. And before that, it has been breaking as a support here as well. And almost here as a resistance as well. And after that, an imminent resistance will be here at $27.15. And you can see for several weeks, it has been breaking as a resistance here. And before that, it had been breaking as a resistance here as well. And once the price end will be able to break it out, then again, it can try to make another powerful attempt to break out this key resistance of $45. And after breaking out this $45 resistance level, I'm expecting that soon it can reach this very long-term resistance of $100. By the way, before that, we also have a resistance here at $70, but that is not that much powerful like we have this resistance of $100. And once the price end will be able to break out this $100 resistance, then this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.